Did you know that Amazon's virtual assistant, Alexa, I spelled it out so yours wouldn't go off, can do so much more than just play music and answer some random questions? I'm the CyberGuy, and if you want to stay up to date with tech, head over to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. Now let's talk about some seriously cool skills that she's got that can make your smart speaker even smarter. With just a few clicks, you can enable the Ask My Buddy skill, a potential lifesaver for those who live alone and might need assistance after a fall or maybe a medical emergency. This skill allows you to connect with a pre-selected contact by simply saying her name, then ask my buddy for help.
Welcome to Ask My Buddy. Would you like to send an alert?
Here is how to enable it. Open up your Alexa app on your phone. Under the More tab, tap on Skills and Games. Search for Ask My Buddy in the search bar. Click on Enable to Use or Launch and follow the prompts to link your account. Next, we got the Big Sky skill. With this skill, you can get up-to-date weather information for any location in the world. Here's how you can enable it. Open up your Alexa app on your iPhone. Tap on Skills and Games under the More tab. Search for Big Sky in the search bar. Click on Enable to Use or Launch and follow the prompts. To activate the skill, simply say her name, followed by Ask Big Sky for the weather.
Currently, it's 59 degrees and feels like 58, with mostly cloudy skies. You can expect mostly cloudy skies until tomorrow morning.
Lastly, the bartender skill is perfect for those who enjoy making cocktails at home. With this skill, you can ask her what kind of drink you would like, and she will provide a complete list of everything you need and how to make it. To enable it, tap on Skills and Games under the More tab and search for Bartender in the search bar. Once you find it, click on Enable to Use. To activate the skill, simply say her name followed by Ask Mr. Bartender, what's inside a margarita?
Margarita contains tequila blanco, lime juice, triple second salt, and uses ice cubes.
You can activate any number of all her hundreds of other skills by searching for them under the Skills and Games tabs. So why not give them a try and see how you can enhance your smart speaker experience? For more info on all of this and to keep up to date, head to cyberguy.com. Make sure you sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.